welcome back to our channel. Today we are back at Project A, and what we have over here is a Porsche 992 Carrera that is ready to unload off from the tow truck and ready for IPE exhaust upgrade. This is the original exhaust sound on the 992 Carrera. Doesn't have any sound at all. That's why we need this IPE exhaust upgrade. Technicians are dismantling the original system before we fit in the IPE exhaust. This is how the original exhaust looks like. This is the original headers versus the IPE headers, and this is the original cat pipe versus the IPE cat delete downpipes, and the original muffler versus the IPE muffler. The headers are in, the downpipes are in, as well as the Valvetronic muffler. The IPE exhaust is already in. Now we fit it on the rims. Then later on, the Project A guys will do a stage 2 tune for this 992 Carrera. Then we shall be able to start up the car and listen to how it sounds. We have finished the installation of this beautiful 992 Carrera S with IPE full exhaust system, and also a stage 2 tune by Project A. Now the moment of truth, let's listen to how this 992 sounds after a full exhaust system upgrade and also a stage 2 tune. Now it's in comfort mode. And now it's sport mode. .992 Carrera with IPE full exhaust system. Start up. Now it's in valve off mode. And then here, the button of happiness, put it in valve on, and also sport mode, valve on. Just listen to the sound. completed the installation of this 992 Carrera S with IPE full exhaust system and also a stage 2 tune by our partners at Project A. Remember to like and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting contents. That's it for today, and we'll see you in our next video.